Hello, so this is a parcel that I have received and it is supposed to contain touchscreen for 15BL. So let's see. The tracking number is 007222054PK, and this is the original slip by the seller, which was for PX, and then it was converted to AliExpress standard shipping later on. Shipper is some Chinese name, so I'm going to open it now. Okay, so finally it's open and it is wrapped properly. So this is good. I hope it is not broken, because it is a very fragile item and any mistake with it will cause it serious damage. Let me put this here. This is so there is another cardboard that the seller has put in, and I'll open it here. You can actually open this the right way without using any scissor. Oops. So this is removed. This is HP logo, and let's take it out. So let's have a look at the actual screen, which is on behind this thing. So let's take this out slowly. So apparently there is no damage to it, but how it looks like in real life we will know when we connect the rest of the laptop with it. This sheet makes it looks that there is no apparent damage. This is just some air bubble, so it should not be a problem. So this is definitely looks like it's used. It's not a new item, but it looks all right to me. I think I hope this is the right size. It looks a little bit small. Maybe I'm just imagining things. uh, TPN Q178 X32R2, TPN Q178 X32L2. So basically this is supposed to be the HP Spectre's screen. So yeah, so I'll check it and then get back to you guys. Okay.